Within our wand tool, we have a lot of options on how we can choose to select things, and usually most of them are in with our tool selection bar, so let's take a look at it. As you can see, our tool options bar sits right here below our menu bar. And as you can see from my wand tool here, I have a lot of different options here on how it is that I want to choose to selection. But the main one I want to focus on right now is the tolerance. As you can see, I have my tolerance set at 50. So that means it's midway. So if I hit here, you can see it's going to select a lot of blues within here how it wants to. But say I want to take a specific blue, like the blue of the lake. Well, if I hit here, it's going to select a lot of that blue. Well, let's take our tolerance and let's bring it down a bit. Let's key it in. We're going to key it into 15. And at 15, we'll hit Command D to deselect our stuff, and we'll reach over here and select it. And as you can see, it didn't select quite as much. It only selected this blue here. Now our sky, the gradient in our sky goes from dark to light, as we can see here. But when we start selecting it with our wand tool, we will see just exactly where the gradients fall here and how much different everything is, from a light to a dark. So if you only want to select certain aspects of your green, like you want to select the light green versus your dark green, so there you go. It's going to select just your grass, like so. Or down here in our water, if you want to remove our water here, we can, I'm actually holding down the shift key to actually grab some more of these color selections here. Let's take my tolerance up a bit. Let's take our tolerance up to 80. And if I select here, wow, it has selected a lot of this and even selected parts of the mountain here that are in a dark blue or a blue gradient that falls within this our tolerance levels here. And if we select down here in our lake, you can see it's actually grabbed a lot of the green that was in here. So our tolerance is a lot greater. So playing with your tolerance will help you in your selection of your with your wand tool. So just play around with it and have fun and enjoy.